Alright guys, this is a 52-inch Key West Harper ceiling fan here at my aunt's new house here. This is on her back patio porch, screened-in porch. Well, first of all, see, it's a little dirty, which I'm gonna have to clean. First of all, I want to show you something weird about. Look at that. The lights are kind of burned out, so I'm gonna have to get probably some LED ones for all of them, so I won't be able to show a light, but I can show the fan. First, we'll start with, yeah, I'm only gonna do this, I'm only gonna make a video of these one time. Probably gonna have to replace this one someday, but I probably will someday unless it burns out. But this isn't my house anyway, this is my aunt's house, but who knows? Maybe sometime she'll use it, maybe she'll not, so maybe eventually I might have it replaced someday. Who knows, it might be a while, but anyway. Again, I can't show the lights because they're burned out and broken. Alright. There's low. And here's medium. Does wobble and shake a little bit. Again, like I said, I'm not gonna reverse the switch because I don't want to break it. This is on a neighborhood too, so if you hear some cars or people talking, just ignore it. See, there's that's the old one. Where it says Harbor Breeze. They don't have it on the top of the down rod, but this is again, these are old. This is an old one, but I might have it replaced someday, who knows. Alright. That feels good. Here's medium. Now I'll turn it to high. That feels good. Again, I'm probably gonna, after I'm done, I'm probably gonna take these light bulbs out and throw them away. I'm not quite sure. Sorry, those are just leaves blowing. I am flashing low battery, so my camera might die. Alright. Now go ahead and turn it off. I'll leave it on low. Alright guys, there y'all go. I'll leave it off now. Anyway. Alright guys, there y'all go. Thank y'all for watching. And I'll try, and I have one more due. If I have time, I'll try get it another day. Anyway, thanks for watching until then. And again, feel free to leave any comments until then. And that's it.